Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
Good.
What are you feeling today?
Good.
Good?
Fine.
Okay. Okay. For today in the visual art class, we are going to discuss about the element and principle of art. Okay. Now, before we start the activity, we are going to pray first. Okay. The leader, can you lead to pray first?
Praise God.
Or make the, what's the name? The drawing in the visual art class, like in the standard in the visual art class, there is the ideation, right? There is the ideation and there is the visualization. Now, during the ideation time, this is very important to us to finding the idea. Okay. Now, usually in the visual art class, we take the idea from the science, from the PPKN, right? Okay. Now, in the PPKN, I think in this term we learn about the in bahasa perubahan sosial budaya and globalization, right? Now, that is the thing for make the after you get the idea for about the social culture, we need to identify like the element of art. Now, what do you think about the element and principle of art? Which one to share? Which one to share? What is the element of art? Do you remember? Like the texture. Yeah, raise your hand, please. Shape. Texture. What else? Line. Gimana? Color. Okay. What else? Yes.
Balance.
Balance. Yeah. Balance in the principle of you can open your Google Classroom. Please go to your group. Like I already make a group before, right? And then you can do your group. Okay. Just try to open the Google answer. You can move to the next slide. Okay. Now this is our question. Okay. Now I think I put the some picture here. The picture here about the culture and the what's the name? Social culture change. And then we have the question here. What do you see in the picture? And then how are the pictures similar or different? And explain why. And then what change can you find in this image? And then how do you define the image? Okay, this is some question about how we can identify the picture for finding the idea. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay, now you can try to add your comment here and then write your name. Okay, in the next slide. Okay? Yes?
Do we write our name one to one slide?
Yes. Maybe you can more than one is okay. Just try to give your opinion. If you want to comment here, and then you can write your name, and then just write your comment in there. Okay? Or you want to next slide is okay. If you already full for the slide 2, you can next to the slide 3. Okay? They start okay, I think time's up. Can you go back to the picture? Now, this is how we can finding the idea, okay, for the artwork. Maybe you can identify some picture. Maybe you can identify some of the video for finding the idea. Okay. Now, after that, if you already get the idea, maybe you can start to prepare to make the artwork, right? Maybe you can make a drawing or painting. Especially in this term, you are going to make a painting. Okay, the painting. So for the idea, you can use like a social culture for the idea. And then before we make a drawing or painting, we need to identify the element of art, because that is our guideline to make the artwork. Okay, like the element of art, like the principle of art. Okay, now this is line. This is the element of art. Okay, I think you already learned from the Ke1, right?
Yes.
From the Ke1, you already learned about the element of art. There is the line, shape, form, space, value, and texture. Okay, I want to remind you about I have a video here. This is the video about the element of art.
Line is the first building block or element of art. Line is a path created by a moving point, mark, or object. Line can be straight, swirly, wavy, jagged, dotted, dashed, broken.
Next, there is principle of art. There is balance, emphasis, proportion, unity, and rhythm. Okay. I think for today we focus for the balance, emphasis, and proportion. Okay. Now this is the video about the element, the principle of art.
Hello, we are going to talk about the art principles through the use of some flashcards. And what are art principles? Well, these are the things that help us organize the art elements. The art elements we covered last time, and those were line, shape, form, color, space, texture, mass, and light. The art principles help us organize these things by contrasting them, showing us unity, balance, emphasis, variety, movement, and pattern.
Okay, what do you think about the emphasis? Who's want to share? Okay, Berdasarkan Bima, buka Berdasarkan. What emphasis? Louder, please. Yeah.
Emphasis is something that stands out in the artwork.
Okay. Okay. What about the others? The emphasis. Renard, you want to try, Renard? Louder, please.
Emphasis is when you create something different.
Create something different. Okay. Dewanaya want to try? I can't see your response. Yes, louder, please.
Yeah. Emphasis is the first thing that you see once you look at in the artwork.
Okay, the first thing. Okay, Bima.
The main character, right?
Louder, please.
The main thing about the world.
Okay, the main thing, okay, or the main character, okay? There is the main character, there is the first thing that you can see. Maybe sometimes the bigger object, sometimes can be different object, right? Now that's the activity today. Now for the activity, we still identify the some work from the famous artist, okay? Now, okay, this is for the worksheet today. Okay, maybe we can get the idea from the famous artist, right? Okay, this is the artwork by Vincent van Gogh. Okay, later you can try to explain what is the painting about. Maybe you can give your answer here, your opinion about the picture, and then what I feel when I see the painting, and then why do painter use the color, and what are the elements? Paper for you to create a sketch. Just a simple sketch, just a quick sketch about the things about the social culture. Okay? The things about culture. Don't forget, you can try to searching with your computer to get the idea. Okay? Any question?
No.
That's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can go to your group. Like I said before, this is the worksheet. Okay. Still confused with that? Huh? What is the painting about? Yeah. About maybe there is a people. There is what else? There is this is a house, right? Okay. Just try write what you know about the picture. What do you see in the picture? Our activity is about make a quick sketch. Okay, this is just quick sketch with a pencil. the main object, the main character in your drawing. Okay, for example, you can make a triangle, for example, right? And then don't forget making the foreground and also there's background, and then you can add the other object maybe for the decoration, for make a balance in your drawing. Okay. The balance, like how we can identify the balance, like in the right side and the left side is supposed to be look like similar. Maybe there's different objects. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? Yes, Dima? No, that is the thing is about the social culture, like we discussed before. To get the idea before, maybe some of you make like a social culture, maybe some of the students make the globalization, right? This is for the idea, and then we already checked before. Some of you already used like a balance, like make a 3D shape, like make a 2D shape. Okay, and then now, which one to try to explain the story of what you are doing? Which one to try? Ke1. Can you try to explain?
Stand up.
Yeah, India. Just try to explain your louder, please. Okay.
Hello guys. Good morning. Yeah, my name is Wisnaya. Yeah, I'm going to be explaining about my artwork. Yeah, the topic is globalization. So the main object here is the phone. Yeah, as you can see, there's text messages because nowadays people use text messages more often. Yeah. And then there's a laptop behind here, like mail, yeah, because back then people often leave, but nowadays we use text messages. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Sit.
Same like others, I draw about globalization. So it's about a girl watching TV while in the village, but the girl is used to live in city. So the other people in the village just play ball games.
That's all. Okay, thank you, Tita. That's already explained for the what's the name? The idea about the social culture or globalization. And then for the next week, we are going to continue for the start to make a painting, okay, based on your idea, right? This is your idea, and then you can make a painting. Maybe you can use watercolor paint for the next week. You can use the acrylic paint or with the Praktik technique or aquarelle technique for the next week. Okay. I think for today we learn about the first one, how we can the strategy, how we can finding the idea, right? And then for the second one, we identify like the element of art and principal art as guideline for make the artwork. And also we try to identify from the famous artist work to get our style, right? So far, any question, guys? Yes, Brian.
Can we use the same idea for making the painting?
Yes, you can use your one. Or maybe you can add the other kind of the ideas. Okay. For next year. Okay. Any question again? No question. That's clear enough.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I think enough for today. Before we start from with the prayer, can you close with the prayer start? Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you for today.